Let's turn these kids show posters into horror, starting with regular show. Let's erase the original poster. Then I'm gonna import the park house, but it's too friendly for what I want to do. So I'm gonna roughen it up and turn it into an abandoned house. When I was searching images to make the poster, I found this cut image and I was hit with nostalgia. So I decided to add it to the post. Now let's place the main guy, the guys that made our childhood awesome. And I'm gonna use the selection tool to cut them out from the background. And you might notice that I left out some parts. I did that because I have a special outfit waiting for them. So what I'm going to do now is to cut out their heads like this. And I'm gonna place the head in the middle like this. As you can see, they are not looking at you guys. So I'm going to fix that by repositioning the eye and placing them in the middle. Beautiful. Now they are looking at you guys. Now that you got that out of the way, look, I've made a cool animation thing. When puffs disappear, they all look at you. Besides your body. And I'm going to mask out real quick to make him fit inside. And I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of the guy. We are done putting the cloaks on them, so let's paint the missing bottom up. Now let's darken the sky to make night time. I'm gonna finish off by placing the title here, regular cult, and here is regular show horror version. Like the video, or else Pencil will feed you his gumballs. Next poster is monsters at work. Let's erase original poster, and I'm gonna place this adorable huge guy as a main guy, but this is a horror poster. We don't need adorable guy, but before we horrify him, let's select his head, cut it out, and I'm gonna smooth him the edge. There we go. And I'm gonna place him up straight in the middle. Now let's horrify him. I'm gonna start that process by erasing his adorable mouth. Now let's reprint a new horrifying mouth, starting with the shape of the mouth. Now let's paint the shape of the teeth. Fill them in, and I'm gonna give them to the mouth shape. Then I'm gonna paint the shape of the tongue, also fit it in. Now I'm going to paint shadows on the teeth to give them some depth and shape. Beautiful. Now I'm going to paint the edge, the lips. But the mouth is looking horrible and odd, but his eyes look like he's screaming from here instead of enforcing terror. So let's fix that, starting by erasing the eyebrows. Let's take it a step further with liquid. Let's add more to make it even more air. After that, I got a bunch of screaming kids, place them right here. Let's decrease the size of it here, like that. Let's make it a little dark. Let's make the monster a little dark, like it's fading into the background. Then I'm going to add a little bit of highlight to enhance spooky or horror vibe. We want to add some of that to it. Let's add the title right here and it down. Let's make his eyes glow, and I'm gonna add a little bit of the trauma sauce. Taking from the teeth, and then I'm gonna add depth with the feather and impulse, and I'll polish it with the camera raw filter. And here is Monsters at Work horror face.